Hey guys, welcome to Project Management World, and we are back with another video which is about Agile Values. So we will discuss about the 4 core values of Agile Manifesto that we need to consider in mind while working on an Agile project. So this is really important topic because most of the exam, more than 50% of PMP exam comes from Agile. So you need to take care of this part. So let's start this video. Here, so these are the 4 values of Agile. So what is the first one? Let me just quickly go through this, then we will discuss in detail in the next slide. So what it is telling here, the first value is individual and interaction over process and tools. Second one we have is working software over comprehensive documentation. Third one is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And the last and the fourth one is responding to change over following a plan. So these are the 4 values. So now let's discuss in detail all these 4 values. If you see the screen here, so first one we have is individual and interactions over process and tool. So what in predictive approach, what we usually do, we follow a lot of tools and we follow a lot of processes. We have a processes identified, like after this step we need to do this, but in Agile what we do, we interact with individual instead of following the process to get the quick response and get the things done quickly. So that is what Agile first value is. That one we have is the working software over comprehensive documentation. So in Agile we do not prepare any kind of documentation like we do in our predictive approach, in normal approach. Because in normal approach you create a lot of documents that for tracking, for maintaining, for records, and you have a lot of documents. But here our final goal is to get a working software. So that is the second point. The third one we have is the customer collaboration over contract negotiation. So what we do here, like in predictive approach, we do the contract negotiation. The contract is there between 2 parties. So we go as per the contract and terms. But here in Agile, what we do, we do more interactions with the customer. Like we understand his problem, then we give our feedback, take his feedback. So that's what preferred in Agile. Instead of doing the contract negotiation, wasting time there. So what we do, we directly collab with the customer and get the things done to move forward in the project. So here the fourth and the last one is the responding to change over following a plan. So you have seen in predictive or in waterfall approach, we prepare a plan initially and then follow that plan to monitor the work. But here in Agile we do not have a proper plan. We just have some scope and then we start doing the work. So what we do here in Agile, we welcome the changes. We do not our team should be flexible to accept the changes or to respond to the changes. So we quickly respond to the changes and get the feedback from the customer, and then we go ahead with that decision. So that's what we do in Agile. And this is what the 4th step is talking about. And yes, these were the 4 core values, and these are really important because you will see at least 3 to 4 questions in your PMP exam from this, definitely. And if you understand this, you can quickly answer those questions easily, very easily. So that was all about today's video related to 4 values of Agile Manifesto. So hope you have understood something, and if you have any questions or any suggestions for me, please feel free to reach out to me in comment section. So yeah, thanks and have a good day.